Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the tap gesture on your Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now this feature is new and it is still in the development phase, so you may not see it fully working or there could be some bugs. This is in alpha testing at the moment. So what you want to do first is to download an application called tap. Now you can download it in the website called XDA Developers. I will include a link for you to download and then you can try it out. So just tap on the APK files. You cannot yet download it from the Play Store yet, so you need to download the APK file and allow installation of this file. Once you install it, so I'm just going to install the file. I'm going to swipe down, open up the file and then install the file. So we'll just wait for the installation to finish. Okay, once it's finished, you can go into the app screen and open up tap. Now once you do that, you need to turn on tap in accessibility service. At the moment you can see if I tap on that, it goes directly into accessibility setting page, and you want to tap on install services and tap on tap and make sure it is switched on. Then I want to tap on the allow button to allow it to access, and that's it. Now it is switched on. So we need to go back to the app and configure some settings. So in tap here, you got gesture. So you got device model. At the moment it's a Pixel 3, but actually you can use it on any of your Android phone. And you can also change the sensitivity. This is not yet currently implemented, but in the future version, I'm suspecting you can change the sensitivity of the tapping gesture. And here you got actions, so you tap on actions, and here it asks you what you want to do. When you tap on the back of your phone, you tap on add action, and in here you could choose to launch. So launch an app, launch a shortcut, launch assistant, or launch camera. You can use utilities. At the moment it's only got the flashlight. Then you can perform an action, so open up notifications, take a screenshot, quick settings, lock the screen, wake the device, go back home, go back, open recent, split screen, launch reachability. So quite a lot of actions that you could change. And we've got one more is the advanced features. So you've got tasker event and tasker task. So let's just try something. Say we want to launch an app. So say we're going to launch camera perhaps. So we're going to choose camera. So I already got launch an app here and launch camera. So I'm just going to delete one of them. So we're going to launch an app. So launch camera, this action will skip if it is already running. So if the camera is already running on the background, then it will not launch again. And that's it. That's all you have to configure the tap, and then simply just tap at the back of your phone, and the cameras should launch. Now it's not I found out with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it's not perfect. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, as this one is still in the testing phase. And also make sure that camera is switched off. If camera is already open, sometimes it does not open. Okay, so here we will try to tap and see if it launch. So there it is. So now it launches. So as I say, it's not perfect. Still in development phase. I found out with the S20 it's not perfect, but with the Galaxy S10 it's perfect. I can simply just tap on it, it was launched straight away. Yeah, as you can see, if I double tap, and the camera will launch. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.